What did I get to eat? Some lollipops. Sugar, sugar, sugar. With a bowl of cereal, sugar charms. Jellybean? Yes, Mommy? No candy. Why? You had that yesterday. You gotta do good stuff. We want food. He won't let me have candy again. This is the only pair of clothes I have left. Whoa, the basket's sure full. She did say if I do something good, I could get a candy. Jelly, where are you? You haven't talked since... Jelly? Jellybean? Yes, Mommy? I told you no lollipops. But I cleaned the clothes. Jelly? Those clothes were already clean. It's fine, Jelly. But now you're gonna have to clean this mess. Oh, man.